So we can break apart to hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know you.
Hey friends, welcome back to the next video. Now let's explore the sales ranking of our employees. This time we're gonna do a little bit different. So we will go with the calculated column. So remember in Power BI next to measures we also have an options to use calculated columns. Or to create a DAX measures we use the calculated column. So let's see how we can create a column. So you can create a column by selecting the table name and selecting the new columns from here. That is, tables tools gets highlighted and the new column. Selecting the new column, you can create a column from here. And also by right clicking the table name and selecting the new column. And also another the best way is going to this table view option and selecting the table name. I'm going to select new column. Why it's so that whatever gets created that should be shown here. So now let's create a table, create a column. Sorry, that is MP ranking. So let's create a ranking of employees based on sales. Let's use rank x function. Always we use all function with the rank that ensures that the any external filters which is applied to the table gets removed. So let's use employees TBL and, under the expression I'll use sales, rank them by total sales, and by default value I'll avoid this first, and I'll use descending. I'll hit enter. You can see here we have employee ranking gets created. So it is a new column. Now let's create another column called classification. Let's classify them using their ranking. That is, less than 3 means top employees, and less than 6 means, let's say, average, and that is greater than 6 means bottom. Let's create it. So let's go this new column now. So let's create a column called, say, employee classification. Employee classify. Let's say employee classifying. I'll use a switch statement. You can also use the if statements. I'll use switch statements with the true function, and the value I'll use employee ranking. That is EMP ranking. EMP ranking. So of EMP ranking, if that should be less than or equals to 3, then I'll say they are top employees. And if the employee ranking, if it is less than or equal to 6, I'll say that they are average employees, or else they are bottom. So yeah, they are bottom of employees, bottom employees. Let's check enter now. You can see here, the new column called employee classification is created. Classify is created. Now let's visualize this. So I'll go to this report view and go to this new page, and let's add the donut chart. Let's add the total sales and by employee classification. Let's format this visual. Let's increase the legend text size, the detail labels, and let's say 15. Let's make it bold. Yeah, let's increase. You can see the 50% of top employees are contributing to the total sales of the company. Always utilize measure instead of columns in your Power BI models. because measures calculates on the fly, meaning that they aren't the part of the model itself, thus saving the spaces. The more columns you create, the larger your model will become. So create the calculated column only when you are dealing with the smaller data sets. This approach will be helpful for you to optimize the performance and streamline your Power BI projects. Hope you find this info well and you got it. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.